How to use $100 Home Depot promo code. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use $100 Home Depot promo code. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to navigate toward the Google application and in the search bar, type for Depot promo code. After that, hit the search icon and as you can see there are numerous websites providing you offers to use it in Depot application. Simply click on any one of the website and choose the offer which you like. After that, once you click on it, you will be looking at a page like this where you need to provide your email or login to activate this offer. So that's it. That is how easily you can use promo codes on Depot application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.